Installing YouTube videos on your website can be helpful in a lot of ways. You can tell people about your products or about the kind of services that you're offering. You can make how-to videos or just add testimonials on YouTube and then insert it on your website. And you can easily use the Elementor Builder to insert YouTube videos into your WordPress website without needing to learn anything about code. Inserting videos on a website is the perfect way to share information and build rapport with your audience. In this SOP, we will learn how to insert YouTube videos on your WordPress website using Elementor. Hi guys, this is Shaswin Balia, and if you want to learn how you can insert YouTube videos on your WordPress website, then keep watching. The first thing that you'll have to do in order to install a YouTube video is to create a new page on your Elementor Builder. So we'll go to add a new page and we will create a sample page. When you get to this window, you would want to give your sample page a title. And once you have done that, just click on Edit with Elementor. Now, once you're here, this is the kind of window that will be shown to you. What you would want to do is just drag your YouTube widget here. So as you can see, there are like a lot of widgets that you can work with in the free version of the Elementor Builder. So we'll click on the plus icon here and we will select a structure that we want. So firstly, let's click on this structure. And now that we have this, let's click on the plus button that we see right here. So this is a section that we created and this is just one section. So we will be adding one YouTube video right here. Click on this plus button and you will get back to the widgets. Now from here, you can just click on this video icon and drag it right here. Perfect. Now what is showing to you right now is basically your video placeholder. In the left-hand side, you can see that the source is YouTube and you can select any of these sources. We are going to keep it as YouTube only because our video is uploaded on YouTube. So in the next section, you see that link is there. So this is the placeholder link and we will be posting our link right here. We will be copying our link and pasting it right here. So go to YouTube and select the video that you want to post on your WordPress website. So this is the video, how to post videos on YouTube as unlisted that I want to keep on my website. What you need to do is click on share from right here and copy. Now keep in mind that you can only put either a video that you have uploaded on YouTube as unlisted or as a public video. If you have uploaded a video as private on your YouTube channel, then this won't work. So make sure that it's either uploaded as public or unlisted. And if you don't know how to upload videos as unlisted or public on YouTube, then go watch this video right here. What I'll do is I'll post a link to this video in the description box down below and I will place it right here as well. So go check it out. We'll get back here and instead of this, let's delete that. We will be pasting the video that we really want. And as you can see, the thumbnail starts to appear. So that's pretty cool, right? The next step that you have to do is just hit on publish from right here if you're done with your page and you will be good to go. What I want to do is I want to add different sections, just the title section so that people know what they're seeing. I'll probably add something else as well. So let's get started on that. Let's work with that. When you scroll down, you will find that you can add another widget. And the structure that I will be choosing again would be this single structure. I will click on this plus button from here and I will add a heading. So now that I've given it a heading, what I will do is I will edit the heading also a little bit. So the size can be default. The alignment, I want it in the middle. I want to change the color. So I will go to style from right here and I will change the text color to red. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this particular heading from here, edit section, and I will put it above the video that I posted. And that's that. Now I want to post some content to this video as well. So what I will do is I will click on this button here and I will post the content in this manner, in the two sections that I will get. So again, click on the plus button, bring the text editor right here and put some text over here. Now I'm just going to hit on publish. Your page is live. Have a look. Awesome. So this is the page that I just created. Now, if you take a look at this right here, if I play this, using the video will start to appear. Let's see how it looks in the day mode. I can see that my heading is not really proper. So I can change my heading later, but yeah, I think we are good. We have successfully inserted a YouTube video on our page using Elementor Builder. Hope you guys were able to add a YouTube video on your WordPress website using Elementor Builder with the help of this SOP. I will be coming up with a lot of WordPress, Elementor Builder, and other digital marketing tools related videos. So stay tuned for that. And of course, if you like the video, hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any queries, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. This is Jasmine Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.